A very good morning, students.
To mute.
Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter 3, right? Factors and multiples. Factors and multiples. First, we will be understanding both the definitions and then we will be looking at the exercise. Okay? Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, please tell Rishita to turn off her video.
We have already told her. She must have listened to that. I hope she has done. Okay. So first let's understand the term factors and multiples. Factors and multiples. Let's understand the word factors first. Okay. Now suppose I have 20 stars in one group. Means in one group means in one line. Can you see? So what does this mean? It means 1 multiplied by 20 will give me 20 stars. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, if I rearrange it and keep these 20 stars in 2 rows. So what I have done? Distributed the stars in how many rows?
Yes, ma'am.
The 2 rows are having how many stars each? 2 rows
Ma'am,
are having how
10.
many stars?
Ma'am, 10. 10.
10.
Ma'am, 10.
This much clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So 2
Yes,
into
ma'am.
10. 2 rows and 10 each. Yes? 2
Yes,
rows
ma'am.
and 10 each. Okay. Now I've distributed these 20 stars into 4 equal groups. Means what I have done? Can anyone explain what I have done?
Ma'am, you have distributed in first row in 2 rows.
have done the 5
Ma'am,
stars.
you have distributed 10
By
stars into 5
distributing
stars.
them into 4 groups, I have kept 5 stars in each. So that means what
Yes,
is this?
ma'am.
Means
Ma'am,
4 into 5.
Ma'am,
Again giving me the same
ma'am,
answer.
4 into 5.
Again giving me the
Ma'am,
same
20.
answer. 20.
Ma'am, 20.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So in this way, I can keep 5 groups will have 4 stars each if I distribute it in 5 groups. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
And if I distribute, that is 5 into 4, that is equal to 20.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And
Yes,
if
ma'am.
I make 10 groups, then there will be 2 stars each.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So it will be 10 into 2.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
And if I make
Yes,
20
ma'am.
groups, I will have 1 star each. That is 20 into 1. Again equals to 20. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So what I have done, thus we observe what? 20 can be written as the product of 2 numbers in different ways. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So what is happening?
Yes, ma'am.
20 can be written as 1 into 20. 20 can be written as 2 into 20. Sorry, 2 into 10. Sorry, 10. So it will be 2 into 10. Just I'm correcting it. Wait. 2 into 10. So
Excuse me, ma'am. Your screen is paused.
now it will be seen.
Yes, ma'am. Now I can see.
Okay. So 20. Then 20 is 5 into 4. Then 20 10 into 2. And 20 into 1. Yes or no? So what are these?
Yes, ma'am.
So,
Yes, ma'am.
so we can see 2 and 10. 4 and 5 are exactly divide 20. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So what does this stands?
Yes, ma'am.
That 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20 are exact divisor of 20? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So what's happening? They are called the factors of 20. So what are the factors of 20? 1, 2,
1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20.
20. Understood?
Yes,
So what
ma'am.
does the definition of factor stands
Yes,
for?
ma'am.
Can anyone can anyone define the definition by herself? Any try?
Ma'am, can
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, try.
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am any number which can be divided by any number, like ma'am 10 can be divided by 2 or 10 or 5
10 by 2, 3, 4, 5.
No. So understand. Factors is something. An exact divisor of a number is a factor of that number. Means जो divisor होते हैं एक नंबर का जो बिना रिमाइंडर के आंसर दें, राइट, वो उस नंबर के क्या होंगे? फैक्टर्स होंगे. Am I clear?
yes ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now
Yes, ma'am.
I will be telling you some statements. I will be giving you some statements and then you will be analyzing it. Am I clear? I will be speaking some statements and you will be analyzing it, and these statements are the properties of factors. Am I clear? What are these?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Should I start with the first statement?
Yes ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Every number, sorry, 1 is a factor of every number. True or false?
Ma'am 2.
Ma'am, true. Ma'am, true.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, true. Ma'am, true.
When you are writing factors, you have to write 1. Compulsory.
Yes ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Second statement. Every number is the factor of itself. Every number is a factor of
Yes, ma'am. True.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, true.
True.
Ma'am, true.
If you have understood the concept, then only you can say yes or no. Okay. Next thing.
Yes, ma'am.
Every factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number.
Yes, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am 2.
Ma'am, true.
True.
Excuse me,
So, yes. Any queries?
Ma'am, please tell Vidhi to turn off her video because I can't see your screen sharing.
I am not sharing anything. Then how can you see?
Okay,
When
ma'am.
I'm not sharing anything? When I'm not sharing anything, how can you see? Do you
Ma'am,
require screen sharing for these statements? Do you require screen sharing for these statements?
No, ma'am.
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No,
We
ma'am.
have just not discussed a
No,
problem. Based on that, I have said some properties. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
And who has opened? Izaz Fatima has opened her book. Do you want to move away from my class or stay in my class? I require smart students in my class. I do not require over smart students. Remember that. Yes or no?
Yes.
I will be happy if you open it, because you have to write this time. Properties will be written by you. You know, na? I have
Yes,
taught
yes.
you how to write properties and theorems. Yes or no? And this
Yes,
time
yes,
properties will be
ma'am.
written by you, right?
Yes
Right.
ma'am.
So I will be explaining. I have already taught you how to write the properties in 2 chapters. Yes or no?
Yes
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes.
So what we write? We write a definition. We write an example with it. Yes or no? When we write a property?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes ma'am.
First property,
Yes,
what
ma'am.
I said? First property, what I said? 1 is a factor of
All
every
numbers.
number. Second, what I said? Every number is a factor
Yes
of
ma'am.
itself.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Third
itself.
property which we were discussing is what? Every factor of a number is
multiple of a
an
number
exact
can be
divisor of that number.
totally divisible by the number.
Let me speak, students. You can speak afterwards with your family members. Or you can mute the mic and speak. But when I am speaking, don't disturb me. Every factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. True?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
It was the final definition of factors or not? It was the final definition.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
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 Listen to me one more thing. One more thing. Listen to me very clearly first. Then only say true and false. Factor of a number. Again, I am repeating. Factor of a number is less than or equal to that number. Factor
Ma'am, yes. True.
Ma'am, true.
Ma'am,
True.
true? Yes or no? You saw
Yes,
all
yes,
that
ma'am.
number less than that number, not
Yes,
more than
ma'am.
that number. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, the last statement. Last statement. The number of factors of a given number are finite. Finite means fixed. True or false?
Ma'am, true. Ma'am, true. Ma'am, true.
True.
Ma'am, true.
Any confusion in any of the properties?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Is the statement easy?
No, ma'am.
Easily created?
Yes,
Is the
ma'am.
statement easily created?
Yes, ma'am.
Now can you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So can we move to the concept of multiples? Because I will be explaining
Yes.
both the terms and then we will be doing exercise so that we can relate also both the terms. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So next, I'm now sharing my screen. So please again switch off your cameras. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Manvi. Now please switch off your cameras when I will be. This is a very symbolic. When I switch on my camera, please switch on yours. When I switch off mine, you also switch off. It's a very symbolic, easily message. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'm saying the definition. Then tell me when. Then I will be writing the example. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
When we multiply a number, with 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, whatever result we get are known as multiples of that number. So what I've said, can anyone explain? Again repeating. When we multiply the number with 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, whatever we get some results or not? So
Yes,
whatever
ma'am.
result we get
Yes,
is
ma'am.
known as multiples of that number. So, can anyone explain me what I've said? Can anyone try to explain me what I've said? Okay, try. Okay. Guys, if you stop quarreling with your family members, please switch off your speaker. Okay. And this, I think this will be the last time, otherwise I will be moving you out of the class. The group admin, if this thing happens again, group admins, 2 group admins are here. Yes or no? Vidhi and where it is?
Yes,
the other one.
Ma'am, Ritisha.
Vidhi and Siddhi are here.
Yes, ma'am.
If
Yes, ma'am.
this happens again, please kick out the word, move out that person from the group.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now, so I'm writing some examples and then we will do. Suppose I'm writing taking the number 2 and multiplying it with 1, then I'm multiplying it with 2, then I'm multiplying it with 3 and so on. So on means you understood, na? So on matlab?
Yes, ma'am.
So I will get 4. I will get 6. Yes or no? What are these results? These results are the multiples of the number 2. What are these results?
Ma'am, these are the results of number 2.
Multiples of number 2. So
Yes, ma'am.
now, if in the question is asked, write the multiples of first. Okay, if the question says write the first 4 multiples of 2, what will be the answer? What will be the answer if it is said write the first 4 multiples of 2? So answer will be
4, 6, 8.
Ma'am, 2, 4, 6, 8. Ma'am,
8. So understood. Now I am saying the definition of the So understood the concept?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now again, so what does the definition of multiple will be? A multiple of a number is a number obtained. Please note down when I'm speaking. Please note down this in your copies. It's in your book. You have to search. In spite of searching, I'm giving you the definition. Please, if you want to. A multiple of a number is a number obtained by multiplying it by a natural number. True? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Multiple of a number is a number obtained by multiplying it by a natural number. Understood have you understood the difference between factors and multiples?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Now, let's discuss the properties of multiples now. As we discuss the properties of factors. Okay? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So, you will be listening and telling me. Every number is a multiple of itself.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. True.
The first answer which you get is the first multiple is the multiple of itself or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, it is itself.
Okay. Every multiple is a number greater than or equal to that number.
True.
True.
Can it be less than? No, it cannot be less than. Multiples will be greater. Yes or no? Or equal.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Last one. Next one. The multiple of the number are infinite.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No.
Yes, ma'am.
Because the word are natural numbers are endless. Natural numbers are endless. So if we are multiplying as many natural numbers, as many multiples we will get.
Yes, ma'am.
So it is an infinite number.
Yes, ma'am.
It's an infinite.
Ma'am.
Whereas factor has a finite number of numbers. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
अगर
Yes,
4
ma'am.
फैक्टर है तो उसके 5 फैक्टर नहीं हो सकते. राइट और रॉन्ग? अगर
Yes,
किसी
ma'am.
नंबर के 4 ही फैक्टर है उसके 5 फैक्टर नहीं हो सकते. लेकिन एक नंबर के एक भी मल्टीपल हो सकता है, करोड़ भी मल्टीपल हो सकते हैं, करोड़ नंबर भी मल्टीपल्स हो सकते हैं. राइट और रॉन्ग?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, last one. Every number is a multiple of each of its factor.
True, ma'am.
True.
So these were the four properties of multiples. I hope it's clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The last thing which you have to understand, and then we will be doing the exercises, is what is a perfect number. Perfect number. A number for which, please note down, and then I will be speaking. A number for which, written, it's given in your book, but you will later on search it, but write down in short so that you can recognize which definition I was talking about. Okay? Okay.
ma'am.
Search
Okay,
afterwards.
ma'am.
Arshita, search afterwards. Just now note down in jottings. Jottings मतलब जानते हो ना, short में note कर लो.
Yes,
And then you will be writing from your book. Okay. A number from which, for which the sum of all its factor equal to the twice of the number. मतलब क्या है? अगर हम factors क्या, जितने भी हमारे factors हैं, उसको अगर जोड़ें, right?
क्रिस्टन से मौका क्या आई है?
एक नंबर के जितने भी फैक्टर्स हैं उसको अगर हम जोड़ें तो जिस नंबर का हमने फैक्टर निकाला है वो जो रिजल्ट आए उस फैक्टर का डबल हो, नंबर का डबल हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल लेट्स टेक आउट आई फास्ट टेल मी व्हाट आर द फैक्टर्स ऑफ 6. जल्दी से, यू हैव लर्न. फास्ट टेल मी.
मैम 6 12 मैम 6 12 18 24 30
24, 30, 36.
Not multiple. Class, listen to me. I'm not talking about multiple. Factors. Factors. What are the factors?
1 and 3.
1,
2, 3.
1, 2,
1 2
3.
3
6, 12.
ma'am 4
can a factor be more than the number?
No, ma'am.
So how can 12 be a factor? Now, fast add the factors. What is the sum of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6?
ma'am 12 ma'am 12
12.
12.
ma'am 12
And now, what is the double? If I double up 6, it's multiply. Double means multiplying it by 2. Doubling 6 means what? Multiplying it by 2. Yes or no?
Ma'am,
yes ma'am
24.
yes ma'am
So what is 6 to the?
ma'am 24
24.
12.
Is the double of the number and the factors, sum of the factors equal or not?
Yes.
Yes or no?
ma'am
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So ये 6 क्या हो गया? What is 6? The 6 is a perfect number. What is this? 6 is called a
Perfect number.
ma'am perfect number
understood. Why 6 is known as a perfect number?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes.
Clear?
yes ma'am
So
Ma'am.
can you give me one more example of a perfect number? Any guesses? Any guesses?
4.
ma'am 7
7. How can 7 be possible? Be a perfect number. 10. Ma'am, 10. Okay, 10. How? Let's check 10 is a perfect number or not. Let's check. We can check. We are saying 10. What are the factors of 10?
Ma'am,
One.
1, 2, 3.
ma'am 1 2 3
Is 3
Five.
Is 3 a factor of 10? Is 3 a factor
no
of 10?
ma'am no ma'am
No, ma'am.
1, 2,
5
5,
Ma'am,
yes,
5.
ma'am 5
and 10.
And 10, ma'am. And 10
Ma'am, 10.
itself, ma'am.
Right? What is the sum?
ma'am 1 plus
Ma'am,
2 plus
Ma'am,
5
1 plus
10
2 plus
Ma-
5 plus 10 is equal
ma'am
to
18 ma'am 18 ma'am 18 ma'am 18
So if we multiply 10 by 2, is it 18 or 20?
Ma'am, 20.
So
Ma'am,
is 10 a
20.
perfect number? Is 10
No,
a perfect
ma'am.
number?
No, ma'am.
Understood? The method of taking a perfect number?
no ma'am
Yes, ma'am.
No. Yes or no? समझ में आया कि नहीं आया?
ma'am आ गया
Yes, ma'am.
आया या नहीं?
Good.
हाँ, बच्चा।
yes ma'am yes ma'am
Yes,
ये 3 कॉन्सेप्ट मुझे पढ़ाने थे आज की क्लास में. Okay. Based on these concepts only is the exercise given. Just see. It's a very simple and easy exercise. Just go to your page book. Page number. That exercise 3.1.
Ma'am, 37.
Right. Exercise 3.1. See. It's a based on question 1. Write the factors of numbers. Just now we discussed. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. It's an easy exercise or not? Then Fill in the blanks with the correct multiples to complete the series. Just now we discussed. First
Yes,
number
ma'am.
denotes the number. First number always denotes the number. First one is
Yes,
of 6,
ma'am.
2,
Yes,
then
ma'am.
6, then 5, then 8. Then write the first 10 multiples of the following numbers. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, so on. Right? Till
Yes,
10.
ma'am.
7 10s are 17.
Yes, ma'am.
Then fill
Okay,
in the
ma'am.
blanks. Just now we discussed all the properties for the fill in the blanks. You will be doing yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then come to fifth one.
Ma'am,
Match
match the following.
You will be. You
Ma'am,
can
the
do it now.
following.
You can do
Yes,
it now.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
It's an easy one exercise or not for doing by yourself.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
easy.
Ma'am. Yes,
And
ma'am.
sixth one. Find the whether the first number is the multiple of the second. If you know the table, or you can with the help of divide technique, you can understand what 108 divided by 12, giving you answer 9.
Yes, ma'am.
So it's a multiple.
Ma'am, 9.
But if it gives a remainder, then it's not a
Multiple. Ma'am, it is not a multiple.
understood the concept?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then factors. Factors. How? The bigger you will take out the factor of bigger number. जो भी बड़ा होगा उसे छोटे का तो फैक्टर निकाल के कोई फायदा नहीं क्योंकि छोटा number अगर आप if you are taking out the factors, the bigger number can be not be a factor of a smaller number. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So for that, what you will do? You will be taking out the factor of, say for example, 11 and 121 is given. So you will be taking out the factor of 11 or 121.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
121.
121.
And you will be getting, if the value 11 comes in it, then it is a factor. If the value 11 does not come in it, so it's not a factor. So all the numbers
Factor.
you can see are based on tables. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
All these numbers are based on the knowledge of your tables. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, make a square table starting from 1 to 100. If you want to make a square table or not, it's up to you. Square table means what? 1 to 100 means all the multiples of 1, all the multiples of 2, all the multiples of, right? Till 100. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And then you have to write down the multiples of 3. Means पहले एक स्क्वायर बनाओगे उसमें 1 से 100 तक सारे नंबर लिखोगे. समझ में आया?
Yes, ma'am.
So I am not hardening you to make a square table. जरूरत नहीं है बनाने की. आप बड़े हो गए हो, आपको पता है क्या क्या नंबर्स आते हैं. Yes or no? ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
डायरेक्टली क्वेश्चंस को अटेम्प्ट करो. डायरेक्टली क्वेश्चंस को अटेम्प्ट करो. Write down the multiples of 3 from 30 to 50. See, 30 means what? 3 tens are 30. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
अच्छा,
ma'am.
इसमें between लिखा है कि from लिखा है?
Ma'am, from.
From.
30 will be
Ma'am,
included or not included?
Ma'am, included.
Ma'am,
included.
If it was written between, we have already discussed what does the word between and from mean. Yes or no? In last two exercises. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
In the word between, we do not include the upper limit and lower limit. But in the word from, we include either the upper limit or the lower limit.
Lower limit.
So you are starting from 30. So 30 will be included. So the first number becomes 30. Second number will be 33.
Ma'am, 30.
Multiple.
Ma'am, 33.
Then 36.
Ma'am, 36. Ma'am,
Till
36.
Ma'am, then 39.
Wait. Till
Ma'am,
50 you will check. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The number can be less than 50 or can be more than 50. The last number can be less than 50, it cannot be more than 50. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. What are the factors of 57? Just now we did it. You have to take out. Okay, is 57 a prime number or not?
Ma'am, prime.
Yes, ma'am, prime
So
number.
what it will be? How many factors it will have? How many factors it will have?
Ma'am, no.
How many factors it will have? How many factors?
Prime number.
It will have two factors. Just now you read the properties. Every number has 1 as a factor and the number itself. तो एक प्राइम नंबर के भी दो फैक्टर्स तो होंगे ही. कौन से? 1.
Ma'am, 1 and 57.
Ma'am, 1 and 57.
Understood?
Yes,
If it
ma'am.
is
Yes,
prime
ma'am.
number, but you have to remember the property also of a factor. What? Every number, the factor is 1 and the number itself. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Take for every number. Right? तो अगर प्राइम नंबर भी होगा तो उसके दो फैक्टर होंगे. Right or wrong?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Write all the multiples of 8 up to 100. You can do it.
Yes, ma'am.
Right?
Yes,
Same
ma'am.
as it.
Ma'am, I can't understand the meaning of this question. That all the multiples of 8 up to 100.
Means you have to start from our number limit is what? 1 to 100 only, no?
Yes, ma'am.
So we have to write all the numbers, but the last limit is 100.
Okay, ma'am.
Start. Understood, Harshita?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it's Ritisha.
Pritisha, okay. Pritisha, H is silent. Okay. Pritisha, clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Then, how many multiples of 2 are there between 1 and 20? Both inclusive. You have to include 1 and 20 both. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
In the first question,
Yes,
it was
ma'am.
from 30 to 50. Either you can include 30 or you can include 50. It was right. But here they have said both inclusive. You have to include both the numbers and tell us how many multiples, not factors. Remember that. They are talking about multiples, not factors. Right?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
9th is same as that we have done just now. 6th and 7th. See?
Yes, ma'am.
Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, 11th one we just now discussed. How to perfect number. How to check a perfect number. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So what you will do? First you will write
Ma'am,
down the
first we have to write the factors of 12, and then we have to add them, and then ma'am we have to multiply them with 2.
multiply the factors by 2 or multiply 12 by 2.
Ma'am, multiply 12 by 2.
And then we will be checking what? We will be checking
And if the answer will be same as the addition of the factors, then it will be a perfect number.
Very good. Understood the concept? It's a concept
Yes,
based
ma'am.
exercise or not? It's a more of concept based exercise or not? Working
Yes,
भी
ma'am.
concept based है या नहीं?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
का concept है. Concept clear नहीं होगा तो working का कोई whatever you are saying is the working. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, find two numbers whose product is 150. Means A multiplied by B is 150. Difference is 5. A minus B is 5. And the sum is 25. That is A plus B is 25. So I want you to do these two questions on your own. Try it. If not, then I will be doing in the next class. I want to use your brains because we have done whole numbers and natural numbers, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And if you are not able to do it, then I will be discussing. Am I clear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So the 12th and 13th question are type of revision of what you have learned in previous two
Chapters.
Yes or no?
Yes,
And
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
But remember that in tomorrow's class, first of all, I will be asking how you have solved. And then only I will be
Okay,
moving.
ma'am.
आ गया बोलने से नहीं चलेगा. आ गया बोलने से नहीं चलेगा. ठीक है?
नहीं चलेगा.
I told it in Hindi also. आ गया बोलने से नहीं
Yes,
चलेगा.
ma'am.
If you are saying I have done it, then you have to prove it. Simple.
Okay,
No
ma'am.
need of writing.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Wait. No need of writing.
Ma'am.
You will be telling me the steps and I will be doing in the page. Okay?
Okay,
Done?
ma'am.
Okay. Now,
Yes,
tell me.
ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, ma'am, on page number 28, chapter 2, whole numbers, The question 15th, 2.2 exercise, question 15th, give
Mhm.
3 pairs of numbers whose product is 2010, ma'am. How can we do this exercise, ma'am? This one?
Is not coming. Okay. I will be giving you the result. Okay. Any other?
No, ma'am.
Any other question? Which
No,
was
ma'am.
not coming?
Ma'am,
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, bacha.
Ma'am, what we have to do
What
in
we
our
have to,
pair copy?
huh? You have to
Ma'am,
complete it. What we have to do? What does this question means? Please. Okay,
ma'am,
wait. The homework for today is exercise 3.1 complete. Exercise 3.1 complete. Thank you and have a nice day.